You spend hours scripting, filming, and editing the perfect video. But when you hit publish, no instant views, no engagement. Our YouTube views in Audible Talent used to be very low and unpredictable until we discovered and created an AI automation process that I'll be showing you today. And since we did that, our views have increased 55% more than before. It's fully automated and you will not need to write a single line of code. So let's build your first AI content agent together. We'll be using a no-code AI automation tool called Make.com to build this system. For those of you who are new to Make, I will leave a link in the description so that if you want to sign up, you can just click on that link. Now, this system that we are going to be building can work for Instagram and Twitter content, but we will stick to YouTube videos. So for the first step, we're going to set up YouTube as a trigger. So let's head over to Make.com. We're going to create a new scenario, then click on the plus button to add a module. Search for YouTube and select the watch videos in a channel module. And what this means is that every time a new video is published, our automation kicks off. So let's connect our YouTube channel to Make. Now to do this, you would see that it makes a lot of sense to have connected your Gmail account already. Actually, this comes in handy. And that's why I did an extensive video on how to connect your personal Gmail to Make. You can click on the link above. I have also added a link to that video in the description. So connect with Gmail and follow Google's prompt to connect your YouTube channel, and then you click connect, and that's it. We move to the second step, which is to use AI to generate a compelling email for each video. To do this, we are going to add an OpenAI module. If you don't already have an account, go to platform.openai.com to create an account. To connect OpenAI to Make, we are going to need an API key from OpenAI. If you are doing this for the first time, you'll be prompted to add your payment details to access your API key. So it's not free, but it's affordable. With just $5, you can do a lot. So once you have done that, generate your API key and head over to Make. Then connect OpenAI with the key you generated. Please keep that key safe somewhere. Don't share it with anyone. Now we want to train OpenAI to send unique and engaging emails to our list whenever we publish a video. Click on Message and add this prompt under the system message. If you want the exact prompt that I used, drop a comment in the comment section. Just say send the prompt and I will send you the exact prompts that I used. Then let's add another message. And this time we are going to use user. So under the user, add this message. These are the information you should use. Under the title, we can map the video title. For the description, we'll also map the video description. And then for the video link, because OpenAI only gives us the video ID, we are going to do something here. We are going to add http://www.u2.b/ before adding the video ID. The entire thing is what is going to make up our video link. Then you click save. Okay, let's test this. As you can see, this works perfectly because we can actually see the white bubble. And when we click it, we can see the unique message that OpenAI has created. OpenAI used the information we provided to generate the email. So for our next step, fetch email contacts from Google Sheets. So we are going to fetch all subscriber emails in real time. First, connect Google Sheets to Make. Select the Get Range Values module. Connect your Google account and choose the spreadsheet ID and sheet name from the drop-down. I have already created a sample Google Sheet. Next is to add the range. This is the range of data we are going to be using, A2 to B3. You can get this by highlighting the data area on the spreadsheet. The table contains headers, so choose yes. Add the range of rows with headers, A1 to B1. Click Save. Then let's test again to make sure it works. White bubbles, it works. Now we have our audience. But here's the problem. Make.com processes this as an array, which means we need to bundle them properly. To make sure every subscriber gets their own personalized email, we need to use the array aggregator module. This merges all emails into a single structured list, making sure they are properly formatted for sending. Now let's look at the source module. In this case is Google Sheets. The structure type is custom by default. So we look for the row headers on our Google Sheets under the aggregated fields section. In this case, we have two headers, name and email. So we are going to select those. Test again. It works. Now that works, we need to add a repeater module. This tells Make.com to repeat the next step for each email in the list. Finally, we add the Gmail module. You can also use Outlook, Gmail, or Yahoo Mail and set it up to send the AI-generated email to each subscriber. I have already connected my Gmail, but if it's your first time connecting Gmail, you can watch the last video where I did a detailed demonstration of how to connect your personal Gmail to Make. I've added a link to that video in the description. Also note that due to Google's restriction policies, you need to reconnect your Gmail every month by re-adding the client ID and secret code. So make sure you always keep them safe somewhere. Paid Gmail users don't have this limitation. And just like that, each person on your list gets an email seconds after your email goes live. All right, so please note that while this system might work perfectly for those with very small email lists, it's not an ideal system for those with large email lists, because when your video gets published, the emails are literally going to be sent out at the same time. Sending large volumes of emails at once can increase the risk of your emails being marked as spam. So to avoid this, we will add a sleep module to introduce a 60-second delay between the emails to control the sending rate. Now, Make.com actually allows you to add as high as 300 seconds. But for the purpose of this video, we'll just do 60 seconds, which is 1 minute. Also, remember that standard Gmail accounts can only send 500 emails per day. Okay, so we'll run this again. And now you can see that unlike the previous run, when the emails were sent immediately, there's a delay in between the sends. And that's it. We have built your first AI content agent. This is how smart content creators get ahead, increase their views and their earnings. So the question remains, are you going to build this for your channel today? Let me know in the comments if you want more automation hacks like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more AI strategy videos. My name is Tope and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.